Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we'll be seeing how we can create a new worksheet in an Excel document. So this is a basic Excel document. These are the cells and columns. Beneath that you can see sheet 1. Okay, this is a sheet. So right now we have one sheet and that name of the sheet is sheet 1. Okay, we can rename it. If just click on that sheet, you can rename it one like basic. Okay, anything like that. We can enter any data over here. Okay, so what we are going to learn here is how to create another sheet, another worksheet inside a Excel document. So it's very simple. If you go to the bottom of this sheet, you can see a plus symbol over here. Okay, just click on that. Yeah, you will be getting a new sheet. Here also you can rename it as you like. Basic 1. Okay, you can enter data over here. So you can also create any number of sheets here. Just click on the plus symbol, it will go on like this. Okay, so that's it about creating new sheets in an Excel worksheet. So that's it for today. I hope this simple tip will be useful for you in the long run. So that's all from my side for today. Till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. And also, if you like this video, just click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're on this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. And while subscribing, please click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications whenever I upload new videos on this channel. Bye.